Hi, I wanted to take a couple of minutes to talk about essential oils and the differences in essential oils. So I have two bottles here. One is peppermint with a green label and one is peppermint obviously with a white label. These are Young Living essential oils. When I am on here making a video or teaching a class about essential oils, I am talking specifically about Young Living oils. I cannot speak for any other oils. So what are the differences in these two oils? Only the label. In the inside of both of these bottles, it contains the same exact pure concentrated peppermint essential oils grown from seed and then cultivated into plants, harvested and bottled and tested at the Young Living farms. With this peppermint essential oil, you can do several things. You can do lots of things actually. You can use it to help alleviate muscle tension or head tension. Sometimes if you have head tension, you can put a drop of peppermint essential oil in your hand and just rub it in and inhale it. It helps to bring blood flow to the brain and also helps you to relax a little bit. It also is very awakening, so you can put it in a diffuser if you just need to concentrate a little bit more. I used to use peppermint in the diffuser for study time or homework time with the kids. Peppermint essential oil can also be added to food. So this white label tells you it's a vitality oil. It can be safely ingested, and something to know is in the United States, the FDA regulates anything that is to be ingested. What that means is anything that's made for ingestion has to be disclosed on the label, all of the ingredients. So as you see here, there's a label and it says peppermint leaf oil. That's the only ingredient in it. When you find bottles of essential oils, if you're buying them on the internet or at grocery stores or health food stores, read your labels because oftentimes it will say do not ingest. And the reasoning for that is because it could have been diluted or chemicals could have been added. There's something in there that is not good for you where they're warning you not to ingest it. However, Young Living essential oils, these white label ones do say, let me tell you exactly what it says. It says, directions, put 2 drops in a capsule, take 3 times daily. So they're suggesting you use it as a dietary supplement. And the reason for a white label versus a green label is because in the United States, things cannot be labeled for topical use and to be ingested on the same label. So Young Living, they're good rule followers, so they created a separate label, but the oil on the inside is the same thing. Other things you can use peppermint oil for are to make a tea. You can use it in brownies. You can use it in a diffuser to freshen up the air. You can also use it topically, even on your stomach to balance your digestion. I never knew you could ingest essential oils. I thought it was really, I had just never thought about eating essential oils, but basically what's in this bottle is the same oil that is on this mint leaf. So back in the day, before they had labs and manufacturers, our ancestors would rub the mint, and what you find is there's oil that comes out of it. That is what the Young Living essential oils are. It's the oil from the mint leaf. So growing up, before we had essential oils in our home, my mom used to give us mint to eat if we had a bellyache, and she would also make a mint tea. So that is all an essential oil is, at least the ones from Young Living. They are the pure essential oil that's concentrated coming from a plant. I hope you learned something, because that is what I've learned by digging deeper into what are essential oils. Why can you eat them? Why do people say you can't ingest essential oils? I would only recommend ingesting Young Living essential oils because, as I said, there is a label. It's FDA compliant, so the FDA has investigated and tested, and they agree that the only thing in here is peppermint essential oil. So Know what you're putting in your bodies and on your bodies, because it is important. Your cells are always turning over and you're always building a new you.